Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to collect your Guwahati University original certificate. First, verify that your final examination results are officially published and accessible on the university portal. You must also ensure that all financial obligations, including tuition and library fines, have been fully settled with the university administration. This crucial step prevents any delays in processing your certificate request. Preparing these preliminary steps will set you up for a smooth application process. To collect your original certificate, you will need a few vital documents. Always carry your original mark sheets from every semester or year of your program, along with a photocopy for the university's records. A valid government-issued photo ID, like your Aadhaar card or driving license, is essential for identity verification. Do not forget your university admit card or registration card, as these prove your enrollment. Ensuring these are ready will prevent any last-minute complications during your visit. The next step involves the application itself. You must obtain the official certificate application form directly from the university's examination branch during working hours. Fill out this form with precise details, ensuring all information matches your academic records exactly. A nominal fee of approximately 500 rupees is usually required. You can pay this at the university's cashier or an affiliated bank branch. After payment, attach all your document photocopies securely to the completed form. Once your application is submitted, the university will process it. You will typically be given an approximate collection date, usually within 7 to 10 working days. When you collect your original certificate, carefully inspect every detail: your name, roll number, course, and graduation year. Ensure there are no spelling errors or factual inaccuracies. If you find any discrepancies, report them immediately to the issuing authority at the examination branch for prompt correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.